Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be solving the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared minus 16 divided by x minus 4 to its lowest terms. This problem involves simplifying a complex fraction by factoring and canceling out common factors. Follow along as we walk through each step of the solution process. Let's get started. To begin, we identify that the numerator, x squared minus 16, is a difference of squares. This means it can be factored into the product of two binomials. The expression x squared minus 16 can be rewritten as x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 4. So, we have the rational expression x plus 4 times x minus 4 over x minus 4. In this step, we observe that both the numerator and the denominator of the rational expression share a common factor, which is x minus 4. By recognizing this, we can simplify the fraction. We cancel out the common factor of x minus 4 from both the numerator and the denominator. This leaves us with x plus 4 over 1. Since x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 equals 1, therefore, the simplified form of the rational expression is x plus 4. This is the final step.